Hey folks, thanks for joining me here on ky4.com. Hopefully you've had a good week so far. Big changes in our weather, as you know. The thunderstorms have returned along with the humidity. The good news, we're not dealing with any big heat, but it's kind of the wet blanket theory, as I like to call it. You step outside and the air is so heavy it feels like you have a big wet blanket on your back. It's been that way the last few days, and unfortunately for the end of the week and into the upcoming weekend, we are going to see more of the same. Plenty of moisture in place, as you know, with those higher humidity levels, and we've got a frontal system which has moved into the Ohio Valley and is stalling out and will be that way right over the state into the weekend. And with little pieces of energy rotating along that will keep the chances for scattered showers and thunderstorms in the forecast. And as you know probably already, especially here in the Lexington area, anything that does develop has the potential of producing some very localized torrential rains at times, and that may lend to some flash flooding problems, which we have already seen as well. Several counties Wednesday and even into Thursday dealing with flash flood warnings because of these slow-moving, very heavy rain-producing thunderstorms. Through the weekend, it doesn't look like we are going to see much of a change. That front may actually jog to the south just a bit, but not far enough for any drier air to push in. And it looks like the humidity levels will remain high. And again, with little waves of low pressure riding along that front, even though it will remain to our south, we're going to carry the daily shower and thunderstorm chances all the way through the upcoming weekend, maybe even into the early part of next week before we finally get some drying weather, or drier weather that is, in here by Tuesday and Wednesday. So the bottom line here, as we finish out the week and head into the upcoming weekend, plenty of people with outdoor plans. Some school systems already back in session. Others will be back in session next week, so it's kind of the last hurrah this weekend. Anything you have planned outdoors, you'll definitely want to have the rain gear along with you, because you never know when you might need it. One of these could just pop up very quickly with all the moisture in the air. So unfortunately, the unsettled, wet, and muggy pattern is back with us, but we had a nice stretch for a while. Hopefully, we'll get some drier weather back in here soon enough. Whatever you're doing over the next few days, definitely be safe out there. And as always, thanks for joining me here on ky4.com.